Ever feel like your business phone system is stuck in the dark ages? Tangled wires, clunky interfaces, and missed calls. Sounds familiar, right? In today's digital world, a reliable and user-friendly phone system is crucial for building trust and maintaining a professional image. That's where VoIP, Voice over Internet Protocol, comes in. It essentially replaces traditional phone lines with an internet connection, offering a more flexible and feature-rich communication experience. But with so many VoIP providers out there, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. So let's talk about Grasshopper. Is it the perfect springboard for your business's communication needs? We'll delve into the pros and cons, pricing structure, and who Grasshopper might be the best fit for. Grasshopper 101. Taking flight with features. First things first, Grasshopper offers a virtual phone system. This means you ditch the bulky hardware and get a local or toll-free number that seamlessly integrates with your mobile phone, computer, or tablet. Imagine receiving crystal-clear calls and managing voicemails on the go. That's the beauty of VoIP. But Grasshopper goes beyond basic calling. Here are some features that might make you want to take flight. Professional greetings and extensions. Craft a welcoming first impression with customized greetings and assign extensions to team members for a streamlined call routing experience. Auto attendant. No receptionist? No problem. Grasshopper's auto attendant acts as your virtual receptionist, intelligently directing callers to the right department or person. Call forwarding and transcription. Never miss a lead again. Forward calls to your mobile or get voicemails transcribed for easy reference. Call tracking and analytics. Gain valuable insights into your call activity. See which marketing campaigns are driving leads and identify areas for improvement. The grass isn't always greener. Weighing the downsides. While Grasshopper boasts an impressive feature set, it's not without its limitations. Here's what you need to consider before making the switch. Limited integrations. Grasshopper integrates with a few popular business tools, but the selection might be a bit narrow for some users. Scalability concerns. Grasshopper excels for small businesses and solopreneurs. However, larger companies with more complex needs might find the feature set restrictive. Limited customer support. Grasshopper primarily offers email and online chat support. Those seeking dedicated phone support might need to explore other options. Pricing plans. Taking off at the right cost. Grasshopper offers 3-tiered pricing plans: solo, partner, and small business. Each plan caters to a specific level of usage and includes a set number of monthly minutes. There's also a pay-as-you-go option for occasional users. Pricing starts at a reasonable rate for the solo plan, making it an attractive option for freelancers and solopreneurs. However, the cost can climb quickly as you add more users and features. Who should take flight with Grasshopper? So, is Grasshopper the perfect fit for your business? Here's a quick breakdown. Ideal for freelancers, solopreneurs, and small businesses with up to 5 employees. Great for those who value a user-friendly interface, appreciate core VoIP features like auto attendance and call forwarding, and prioritize affordability. Alternatives to consider. If you need a more scalable solution with advanced integrations or require 24/7 phone support, consider established players like RingCentral or Nextiva. Grasshopper is a solid VoIP solution for small businesses and solopreneurs seeking a user-friendly and feature-rich system. The affordability and focus on core functionalities make it an attractive option for those starting their VoIP journey. However, its limitations in scalability and integrations might pose challenges for larger companies. Weigh your specific needs and explore alternatives before making the final decision. Remember, the best VoIP solution is the one that elevates your business communication and helps you reach new heights. So, choose wisely and happy flying. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.